Random Amazon gadgets I love. This may look like an ordinary backpack, but it actually has a built-in charger. You just plug your charging wire into the side of the backpack and you can charge your phone on the go. It's really handy if you travel a lot or if your phone tends to die quickly. And while it's charging, you can keep it tucked away on the side. When it's time to recharge the backpack itself, there's a built-in wire you can just plug in.
This one is so good. Things you didn't know you needed off Amazon, part 27. All right, we can't be the only people that have such a hard time with plastic wrap boxes. It never ribs properly. It's always sticking to itself. It's a mess, but I found a hack for everyone. All right, this is our reusable plastic wrap dispenser. It already comes with a roll inside, but you're free to use any plastic wrap as a refill. Just pull it out straight, slide the blade down the center, and it cuts it perfectly with no hassle.
Amazon kitchen gadgets you definitely need. Okay, so these are called Super Cubes and they're going to completely change the way you meal prep and store food. After you're done eating or cooking in bulk, you fill up the silicone cubes. Then you add the lid and pop it in the freezer. When you're ready to eat, everything is frozen into the perfect portion, and because of the silicone, they pop out so easily. And if you like to store a lot, after they're frozen, you can actually put the cubes into freezer bags and keep reusing the same tray.
Hi, my name's Anna and I have hyperhidrosis, which means I sweat a lot. But I found this product on Amazon that is literally life-changing for your armpits. It's called Sweat Block. I can't even lie, I turned being sweaty into a personality trait at this point, but I'm here to help my fellow sweaty friends. So, all you gotta do is take the wipe and then you dab it on your armpit. I learned this the hard way. Do not rub it or it will burn so bad. Just dab it like that. Have an armpit drying dance party and we're gonna do the same thing on the other armpit. And that's literally it. And it works so well. I would actually go out in the color gray with this on, and if you know, you know. But honestly, sweating is nothing to be embarrassed of, but this does help a lot. Okay, bye.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ow, 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 show them girl, yeah, boom, boom, ba, ba, bo, 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 bo.
Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 G's to religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump, my humps. They got you.
You see this? We want this. We love this. We need this. But this, yeah, we don't need this.
Stocking stuffers from Amazon Part 2. This first one is super convenient. It's a dipping sauce holder for your car. Now you can enjoy your ketchup, barbecue sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce on the go. I wish I knew about this dust cleaner sooner. It is so helpful. It removes dust from those places that are hard to get. For example, my keyboard. I always struggle when it comes to cutting my avocados, so this 3-in-1 avocado slicer will definitely come in handy. Lastly, I think Poo-Pourri makes a great stocking stuffer. It's funny, and it can actually be a lifesaver.
Amazon products you just might need.
Part 29.
They're made in USA, and I'm super excited about this product. Let us know if you agree. These are Hansi grocery bag carriers. They allow you to carry more with less effort. The Comfort Grip design saves your fingers, and they can carry up to 100 pounds. If you live in an apartment with stairs and a long walk, it may help you cut the grocery haul down to one trip. The design makes for easy loading and just as easy offloading. Not just for groceries, they also work great for carrying buckets, paint cans, and clothes on hangers. These are virtually indestructible for many years of use. Don't be shy, tell us your thoughts, let us know what you might use them for.
Amazon favorites part 3. This one is a baby keepsake box and it is so cute. It comes with these little stickers so you know what to save. I saved his little pacifier, a little sock from when he was born, his blankie, his Disney button, some paperwork because it comes with these cute little file folders, photos, sonograms, all of his little holiday photos and crafts, and this little sticker that he was born with and his handprint, and it tucks away in this cute little keepsake box.
Is it just me, or do you hate that there's outlets behind your sofa and your cables that dent the back of your couch? Then you need these surge protectors from Amazon. Just plug it in, and push your sofa back. Problem solved.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a cool glass bottle from Avea. Why a glass bottle for a toddler or a baby, you may ask? Because glass bottles contains no chemicals, easy to clean, and if your baby wants to throw it around, silicone will protect it.